Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use a keyframe animation in CapCut to create a smooth movement and pro level edits. Let's get started. First, open a CapCut and start a new project. Then add a video or image to your timeline and tap on the clip and move the playhead to the point where you want the animation to start. Then tap the diamond icon at the bottom and add a first keyframe. Move the playhead forward, then resize, reposition, or rotate your clip. CapCut will automatically add another keyframe, creating a smooth motion between 2 points. You can add more keyframe to create complex movements like zoom in, pan, or shake. Play it back to preview your animation. And that's how you use keyframe animation in CapCut. If these help you, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.